Okay, next chapter, financial maths. Let's read through the outcomes. Calculate earnings from various sources, penalty rates and special rates like overtime, holiday pay, leave loading, calculating taxable income, so how much tax you pay based on how much you earn, calculating tax payable, calculating net earnings, consider deductions, so things like tax, union fees, etc., etc. Here's some words. So allowance, bonus, overtime, salary, piecework, per annum, which means per year. So a very, very real life based chapter. Okay, wages and salaries, definitions. Wages, earnings based on hours worked. So you might work 6 hours, you might work 10 hours, and you earn a certain amount per hour. Salary, earnings that are a fixed amount per annum, which is per year, regardless of the number of hours spent working. Salaries may be paid weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. So wage could be something like working at a fast food place. Salary could be like a lawyer, a teacher, etc. So they earn a certain amount per year. Okay, advantages and disadvantages. So the 4 words, 4 blanks. So salary, main advantage, there's a set income. Disadvantage of a salary, also there's no overtime. If you stay back one day and work hard till like 9 o'clock at night, you get no extra pay. Wage and advantage, there's overtime. Work on, say, a public holiday or work at late at night, you get paid at a high rate. And then disadvantage is obviously varying pay. If you can't get shifts, you don't get paid because you can't get work. Okay, don't forget, 12 months in a year, 26 fortnights a year, 52 weeks a year. Per annum means per year. So per year, per year. And there are 365 days a year, 366 for leap years. Okay, question 1. Emma is considering applying for a job at ABC Radio that has a starting salary of $65,644. Express this salary as amount per fortnight. So that would just be to divide by 26. So amount paid is just 65644 divided by 26, which is 2,524 point, we'll call it, so 769, so we'll call it 2524.77. So we normally round money to 2 decimal places because they're 100 cents in a dollar. And obviously 100 is 2 zeros. All right, question 2. Emily is a solicitor who is paid $3,500 per month. Calculate her annual salary. Well, just times that by 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So 3,500 times 12, which is 42 grand. Okay, 2 more. Question 3. Secretary earns $9.50 per hour for a normal 30-hour week. Calculate the gross pay. Gross pay is before tax, but we'll do that later on. So 1950 times 38 would be my answer, which is 741. Question 4. Ben earns a salary of $54,706 and works 30 hours a week. Connor earns $982 per week for working 37 hours. Who has a higher rate of pay? So you've got to make these the same kind of level so you can compare them. So out of curiosity, let's make it a, say, daily hourly rate. So to do that, we'll do this. So Ben, we're going to take his salary. We're going to divide by 38 to make it hourly, then divide by 52 to make it weekly, which is 27.69. And then Connor, his is already weekly, let's just make it hourly, so divide by 37, which is 26.54. Okay, so clearly Ben's is a bit higher. So therefore Ben has higher pay.